Hello, my name is Kathy and I'm from your success team here at MIFOinc. I'd like to go over your Care for Older Adult report. This report takes all of your Care for Older Adult members that have a missing service and incorporates it into one report. We have various categories to help you manage this cohort. The first is outreach opportunity. So indicated here is every patient that has a missing service for this category. This report can be downloaded and utilized for an outreach program to make certain these patients come into the office and have the gap closed. The next category that we provide for you is very important because it indicates that the measure is missing one or more parts. So the patient has come into the office, there has been an encounter. However, as you know, Care for Older Adults have multiple components. So indicated here is the measure that was met, the component that was met. However, where you see missing data and missing ICD codes, it's indicated that for whatever reason, this coding was not done properly. So this would go back to your biller and the coding would be corrected and rebilled so that we can ensure that the entire measure has been taken care of and the gap has been closed. The next category is claim more than 60 days. This indicates that the encounter has been completed, has been billed to the health plan, and is sitting in a status to make certain that the claim is adjudicated properly. If this comes off your new MSR report, we know that the measure has been indicated and received by the health plan, credit has been given for that measure, and it will fall off the MSR. If it does not, the claim goes up into a appeal status where it's submitted to the health plan on supplemental data to ensure that credit is given for the measure that has been met in its entirety. And the last category is claim less than 60 days, which indicates that the claim has been submitted to the health plan and is still in appended status waiting for adjudication. This report can be downloaded as any of our reports can. When you click on it, you see that there is a blue border around it. That indicates that the report can be downloaded. Coming here to the menu bar, clicking on the three dots of menu options gives you the opportunity to export to CSV or to export to Excel. Clicking on any one of these headings gives you the opportunity to sort as well. That is the explanation of your Care for Older Adults report, and I look forward to seeing you at future training modules.